Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to be adding an external jQuery library and also an app.css file that allows us to add our styles to our HTML5. So in the last video we kind of explained how you can add JavaScript file to your HTML file, and we were able to do that and also adding the console log. You can see right now we want to dive deep into a more complex code in JavaScript. So first thing, JavaScript is good and cool, but you might just want to juice things up with jQuery, because jQuery is actually your go-to guy when it comes to short syntax manipulation of JavaScript functionality itself. You have the dollar sign that allows you to target any elements on the platform and also help you simplify JavaScript programming, and it's very easy to learn. You can head over to W3 School to learn more about jQuery, and as well pick the latest CDN, because they always have the latest CDN, and integrate to your app, and it's as easy as this. And also one more thing I would like us to add is, since we now know the function of using the source attribute on the script tag to enable app.js file, we might just want to do the same with CSS because they actually follow the same structure. So a quick one will be to add a folder called CSS under the root directory. So let's do that real quick. CSS, and we're going to add a file inside CSS, and we're going to call this app.css. And now this is where we can actually start writing all our CSS files to enable the HTML work better with it. So a simple way of referencing the CSS file into the app is just to call the CSS folder and the app.css. If you're using the VS Code editor, it will give you an autocomplete suggestion on the platform. So add a CSS file, a CSS code that actually allows us to change the font size and also the color of the H1 tag. And if you look at this on my screen, you can see I only have this H1 tag and I have the paragraph beneath. So I'm just going to head over to our web browser and access the port. Remember, we are still using the Google Chrome or simple website to serve our application on port 3310, which we can actually access on the browser. So a quick way to do that is head over to the browser and type localhost 3310 and to load our application real quick. As you can see, we now have the blue header with hello, welcome to JavaScript and jQuery, and we also have our paragraph test. So next we'll be manipulating this using our jQuery to see how powerful this can be.